Chippah Tee TV. Hey man, say man, welcome back to the Buzz Talk Show, aka Building Unique Desires with Chippah Tee. Yes, that's me. You're now watching Chippah Tee TV. Hey man, say man, first and foremost, you know I gotta go ahead and let you guys know, every single one of you, I appreciate you who you've been tuning in and watching. The views of you who have been viewing the views of the channel and the videos. I appreciate you for viewing. Yes, you. Does that make sense? Okay, thank you. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all, man, interacting with me, giving me likes, just comment what you've been working on, comment what you think about the build, the progress. I really appreciate it, guys. As you guys see, we completely rearranged the table, we completely rearranged the shop, did a complete cleanup, deep clean, I like to call it. Um, Man, it feels refreshing. Usually I say I work in a pretty much organized clutter. I'm pretty sure some of you guys can relate to that. Excuse me. But in this particular space right now that I'm in, it's very refreshing. It gives me a sense of like a restart. Even though I've already know what I've been pretty much have working on, I've actually changed the table towards my bulletin board now. So I'm actually looking exactly at what I need to get done. Uh, and it just looks more clear. So you guys saw that. Um, Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should add. Is there any like little shelves? Shout out to Scale Riders. He definitely um, on his Instagram page he posted up like a setup somebody had, and then in the comments I think it was like some people explaining like the little shelves, and some of the stuff was like custom builds. And so yeah, shout out to Scare Riders for sharing that. And then just anybody else in the comments, let me know if there's something that I should get. Right now I have a basket for pretty much all of the stuff you guys seen, styrene and everything like that, and then all of the styrene sheets and other extra styrene that I have that I know I'm not gonna use right off the back. It's already put up, so that's that. Paint as well. Right now it's just to build clean space. As the left hand side, you can tell it's my bootleg shop diorama that's gonna be creating. But I promise you, the outcome of that's gonna look really, really good. It's a Pringles box, but it will definitely look like something once I'm done. We're taking our time with it, and I got some high faith in it, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, pretty much we try to separate each side of the table. So we try to do body shop on this side, and then kind of like a display type situation on this side. Basically what I'm working on, a few complete cars here and there, but basically what I'm working on shifting into getting worked on, like this actual process of being built. So with that all being said, definitely happy with what I did. Um, this is gonna help me build more, kind of get ideas, if that makes sense. So it's what I can do when I step back and just sit at the table. It's kind of like therapy, so just sit here and think about on this side, okay, this car needs to get this piece done, come over here and do that piece, and continue to go from there. So, um, I guess we'll go ahead and jump into a review of this Cutlass that I did. I did the tutorial for you guys. I'll drop the video after this. Pretty much the tutorial is basically for this vehicle, how to hinge it on this vehicle. The reason I did it for this vehicle is because I had mentioned on What to Do Wednesdays about 2 weeks ago, maybe three now. I would do a tutorial, but basically just the hinge. So I decided to just take it upon myself, show you guys how to do it on a 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass. And yes, it does close all the way up. It's jammed up and everything like that. So I'll go ahead and turn this around, give you guys a quick progression on this, and then I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to just stay tuned. I got y'all. And so yeah, here we go. Um, in the video, I explained basically the reverse method of switching the hinge from leaving it on this side of the door to actually put it on the fender. Um, a regular hinge, when it would, like my 65 Impala here, let me show you guys. Let me show y'all. Oh, I got it connected up to the, that's okay, I can turn it like this and do it. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. Shout out to Liquid Death. Great water right there. So, the 65 Impala, for example, 1/1 scale, it would open up like that, right? It would open up like that, and then, you know, essentially close up. So what we did for this is we pretty much just reversed the hinge, and I explained this in the tutorial. You can see right there, it's just flipped, so it's sitting on the door, and then the pieces that would actually sit. Okay, let me explain it. The pieces that would sit on the door are actually on the fender, and the piece that would sit on the fender is actually on the door. So that's the reverse method, and then that's what allows when you open it, it allows to go inward. Because on 1/1 scale, this would have that type of open. So, you know, door jammed up. We got to do some cleanup, add a little bit, clean up, add a little bit, primer, see what it looks like. And then, yeah, we do have to inline this door here. It is off just a tad up front. You won't know once it's painted, but we're going to clean that up and make sure we get that inlined. This side is pretty much narrow, clean. Yep. So this is actually a replica build, Cruise Life Car Club. We've already pretty much done the interior work. I'm going to clean it up on the dashboard, add some more wood grain to it. I'm going to do the seat belts coming from the top, going all the way around, front and back, and then probably add a few more details, just like small details, an iPhone, Apple Watch maybe, some speaker covers for the back seat back there. And then that's just probably it. Nothing too special on it. As you see on the door panels, I've already done the wood grain. Yeah, so give it that real leather texture look, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get this done. This is actually for a build off. Already done the suspension work, framework, reinforcements. Clean that up. Shout out to Skeleton. He did a small tutorial on Instagram, basically showing how to like weather the frame and the material that he used. So I picked up some of that stuff, and I'm gonna try it on this build here. And yeah, we might cut the trunk open. This car functions 2 servos to each corner and a hopping motor to the front. So we might cut the trunk open, we might not, but with this being a replica build and with this being a build off, I want to get this done, and I want it to be able to be a solid build for the customer, well, for the owner, and a little less problems to where he won't have to send it back to me. If he does, the only thing we would have to do is replace the string. So other than that, this is it. You guys will see more progress in this very soon. Stay tuned for the full walk around video of this one. I finished up the engine. Yes, I did. Stay tuned for that one. I got y'all.